Okay, this is the math packet, mod 2, significant figures and scientific notation. I think this mod is something that, or this section is something we can pretty much do online. It's relatively easy to understand, I think, if you go through the packet and you follow the rules. So I want to go over the rules of significant figures in this video. So on this page, there's 3 different rules listed for significant figures. What is a significant figure, right? We talked about measurements and how you want to convey the number of decimal points that are significant, and we used an overbar for some of our measurements that we talked about. These are some of the examples here. So here we've got a value of 1,000, right? Notice the decimal point here, right? This results in 4 significant figures. So the rule here is if the number is greater than 1 and has a decimal point, count all the digits as significant. So here we've got 4. Here we've got 45.0, right? There's really no reason for this 0 to be here unless it's significant. So this is 3 significant figures. And then here we've got 1.02. So this is also 3 significant figures, right? You're reporting out to this last decimal place, this is significant. You want to convey that information. All right. If the number is greater than or equal to 1 and does not have a decimal point, locate the non-zero digit that has the lowest place value. You count it and all the digits to the left. So what does that mean? We've got, this is a number greater than or equal to 1. There's no decimal point. So we're going to look at find the first non-zero digit in the lowest place value, right? So this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Oh, look, there's the first non-zero digit. So we're counting this one and the ones to the left of it. So here we've got 12,000. This is 2 significant figures, right? 1, 2. 405,300. Again, we're looking for the first non-zero value, right? In the lowest place. So this is the 300. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Finally, we've got 60. There's no decimal point, right? So the first non-zero value is the 6. So here we've got 1 significant figure. Finally, the third rule here, if the number is fractional, right, so less than 1, locate the non-zero digit that has the highest place value. So here we've got the highest place value and count it in all digits to the right, if any. So remember, this is the highest place value. The ones position, the tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s. Oh, look, there's a 2. 2, 7, 8. So we can see here that the number of significant digits are 1, 2, 3. So 3 significant figures. And this one also has 3 significant figures. 0.0120. This 0 is only a placeholder. It's just telling you that this is the tenths position, this is the hundredths position, right? So we got 120, let's see, what is that? Hundreds, thousands, 120, 10,000s. And this is 3 significant figures. Again, if this 0 was not significant, you wouldn't even write this here. Oops. So here's an example, right? The first 0 here. This is not a significant figure, but it does hold a place value, right? So here, this example is given 12 and 12,000, right? They're both 2 significant figures, but 12,000 is obviously 1,000 times greater than 12. So the zeros are important because they tell you the magnitude, right? Yeah, I'm going to stop here and do the next section in another video.